Floorcare.biz is proud to present the Tennant S5 Sweeper. The S5 is a walk-behind battery-powered machine featuring a 24-inch cleaning path and 1.5 cubic feet debris hopper, making all your small jobs a breeze. This unit also features a constant broom drive, fully adjustable side brush, and versatile anytime anywhere cleaning, making the Tennant S5 a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit will ship to you with batteries, charger, and brushes, and is covered under a dead on arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description, visit us online at floorcare.biz, email us at sales@floorcare.biz, or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.